Hi everyone, this question is looking very simple. Can you tell me the answer orally? No. So we will solve it. The first step will be 3 divided by, we will make this whole number into proper fraction. So 2 is first multiplied by 1 and then plus 1. So 2 multiplied by 1, 2, plus 1 divided by 2. So it will be 3 divided by 2 plus 1, 3 by 2. Now apply KCF rule or CCF rule. Both are same. K mean keep it or copy it. So 3 will remain unchanged. C mean change it. It is divide, so it will be multiplied, and flip it. It is 3 by 2, so it will become 2 by 3. Now 3 is cancelled with 3, so our answer will be 2. Thank you.